Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study law for CA and TER. First, understand the exam structure, including objective and subjective questions. Next, review the entire syllabus to identify key topics and their importance. Then, develop a practical study schedule, allocating sufficient time for each subject. Finally, collect all official study materials and supplementary resources before you begin. This foundational preparation is crucial for effective learning and achieving a strong score. The Companies Act is a major component, often accounting for 60 to 70% of the paper. Other important laws include the Indian Contract Act, the General Clauses Act, and the interpretation of statutes. Always prioritize the official study modules provided by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Supplement these with practice manuals and previous year's question papers to understand the examination's demands. This ensures you cover all essential areas comprehensively. Active reading is vital, don't just skim. Understand the why behind each legal provision. Create your own short notes using bullet points or diagrams, which are excellent for last-minute review. Regular answer writing practice is essential to articulate legal points clearly and within the time limit. Focus on remembering important section numbers and relevant case names, as these add value to your answers. Aim for clarity and precision in your responses. Consistent revision is key. Aim for at least 2 to 3 full revisions before the exam. Solving mock test papers is crucial to manage time and understand the pressure of the actual examination. After each mock test, thoroughly review your answers to pinpoint areas needing improvement. During the exam, read questions carefully, allocate time wisely, and present your answers neatly. Stay calm and confident throughout the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.